If you've received your vote by mail ballot or are visiting a polling center, you might have noticed that there are 6 amendments on your ballot, and some of them touch upon some pretty controversial issues. But what exactly is an amendment? An amendment is a proposed change to our state's constitution. Any registered voter in the state can vote on any of these 6 amendments, but in order for it to pass, 60% or more of voters must approve it. So you might be thinking, what exactly are these amendments asking? Let's take a look at Amendment 4, the right to an abortion. On your ballot, it states in part, no law shall prohibit, penalize, delay, or restrict abortion before viability or when necessary to protect the patient's health as determined by the patient's healthcare provider. So what happens if I vote yes? A yes vote would legalize abortion in the state of Florida before the period of fetal viability, or when your doctor says an abortion is necessary for the safety of a mother. Now, the term fetal viability is when a baby is estimated to be able to survive outside of a mother's uterus. While there's no specific number that is stated in the amendment, general consensus is that viability is around 24 weeks into pregnancy, meaning you would be able to get an abortion up until that time. Now, I understand if I vote yes, but what if I vote no? A no vote would keep in place the state's current abortion law. Florida, in May, enacted an abortion ban that makes it illegal for a woman to get an abortion after 6 weeks of pregnancy. The only exceptions are rape, incest, and human trafficking, and if the abortion saves a woman's life. Now, if Amendment 4 does not pass, that ban would remain in effect. So does that mean if Amendment 4 doesn't pass, abortion would still be legal? Well, abortions would only be legal before 6 weeks of pregnancy, which is about 2 weeks after a missed period. The only exceptions for after 6 weeks is for rape, incest, or human trafficking cases. Those cases would be able to get an abortion at up to 15 weeks of pregnancy. Now, you might be wondering if there are any other caveats to this amendment. The amendment clearly states that it will not change the legislature's constitutional authority to require a parent or guardian be notified before a minor has an abortion, meaning those under the age of 18 will still not be able to get an abortion without a parent's consent. If you'd like to learn more about certain amendments or have any questions leading up to Election Day, we've got the answers right here on NBC6.